Welcome to our rocket manufacturing facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how a modern rocket is made, step by step.
The specs on this readout don't match the titanium shipment.
Let me cross-reference the batch number with quality control. Automated robotic workstations meticulously prepare the next generation of avionics architecture. Every navigation chip.
Check the stress fracture on manifold 7. The thermal load is spiking.
Adjusting the plasma flow rate now. Readings are stabilizing.
Every rocket must survive extreme pressure, heat, and vibration.
Every rocket is tested for flight readiness and safety.
And that's how a modern rocket is made at Nohane, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and aerospace documentaries.